Welcome to Minity Maths. In this video we go through 5 math puzzles. These puzzles test logic, patterns, and problem-solving skills. Try each one yourself while pausing the video. Which number doesn't belong in this list? Look carefully, it may not be obvious. Pause if you want time. The answer is 20. Puzzle 2. What number should replace the question mark? The answer is 12. Puzzle 3. A jacket originally costs £80. It's reduced by 25%. Then the sale price is reduced by another 25%. What's the final price? The final price after both discounts is £45. Puzzle 4. 5 people are in a room. Each person shakes hands with every other person once. How many handshakes happen? There would be 10 handshakes in total. Puzzle 5. Think of any number. Double it. Add 10. Divide by 2. Subtract your original number. What do you get? Try this with any number you like. Pause the video and test it. No matter what number you pick, the answer is always 5. Which puzzle did you solve fastest, and which one tricked you? Comment below. Subscribe for more maths puzzles, logic challenges, and problem-solving videos.